The Rizal Technological University Management System, provided by the Management Information System Office through the System and Database Administration, a process for setting up the teaching load for quasi-admin and full-time employees. Begin by logging into the RTU Employee Portal. Then click the Personnel Schedule Maintenance. Select Add. Now set the location, the academic year, the semester, the effective date, the normal working hours, and the applicable days. Follow the assigned subject load as regular. The minimum should be 5 hours per day. Then click Submit. Do not refresh the page, but instead click the Display REGPT load. For full-time faculties, the faculty load should have 18 units for their regular hours, and any excess will be considered to be part-time. The tutorial subjects are commonly found in the Pro Bono Subjects section. Setting the consultation time should be within your office hours, but the regular load should not be affected. The consultation time should have a total of 5 hours. Also include all of your research and extension projects. Reminder: regular and part-time assignments are based from the issued office order. If you exceeded the assigned hours, coordinate with your department head. And if the second and third approvers mark the request as disapproved, you can coordinate it with the Management Information Systems Office for the deletion of OTL. After that, create a new one. If you have any questions or still need further assistance, email us at micboni@rtu.edu.ph. That is all, and thank you for watching.